Title: Go, the Journey of 1,000 Steps. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word go. Go is a versatile verb that signifies the act of moving from one place to another, embarking on a journey, or starting an action. It's a fundamental word that represents progress and change. Pronunciation. Pronouncing go is straightforward. Go, with a soft G and a long O. Use in a sentence. For example, when you go on a road trip, you have the opportunity to explore new places and create unforgettable memories. Importance. Go is a word that encourages us to take action, embrace change, and pursue our dreams, reminding us that every great journey starts with a single step. Conclusion. In summary, go is a word that signifies the start of an adventure, the initiation of action, and the willingness to move forward. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, remember the power of go in propelling us towards new horizons and experiences.